Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to look at graphing quadratic functions that are in vertex form. So we're going to start by gathering some information from our vertex form. We're going to gather our vertex, our direction of opening, and our axis of symmetry. Once we have that information, we'll go ahead and plot it on our graph. So remember that vertex form in general looks like A times x minus h squared plus k, where our vertex is the point h comma k. So I'm going to look here at this -2 and +4 to look for my hk, or my vertex. So as with our normal transformations, on the inside it's opposite of what it looks like. So my x value of my vertex is going to be +2. And anything on the outside is exactly what it looks like. So the y value of my vertex is going to be +4. To get your direction of opening, you're going to look for your sign of A. In this case, since I don't see an A value, I know that's like having a +1. So my direction of opening with a +1 is going to be up. Finally, our axis of symmetry, we know that's always a vertical line, so it will have an x equals equation, and that will be the x equals from your vertex. So our axis of symmetry is x equals 2. Okay, so going ahead and translating that information to the graph. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and plot my vertex at the point 2, 4. So 2, 4 we have right here. Now, I have a 1 multiplier in the front, and I am opening up. So I know that my typical parabola has the point 0, 0, and then 1, 1. So from my vertex, treating that almost like 0, 0, I'm going to go to the left 1 and up 1. And then using symmetry, also to the right 1 and up 1. That gives me at least 3 accurate points, and from there I'm ready to go ahead and connect with my general parabola-looking shape. All right, so there's my graph for f of x. Let's try that on another one. So here's g of x. We have the same instructions. We want to find out our vertex, our direction of opening, and our axis of symmetry, and graph using at least 3 accurate points. So starting out, checking out my vertex, I'm looking for my hk. H is going to be the opposite of what I see there on the inside, so that's going to be -3. K is going to be exactly what I see there on the outside, so that's going to be -1. Checking out my multiplier in the front, since I have a negative A value there, that makes my direction of opening down. And then my axis of symmetry will be a vertical line, so an x equals the x coordinate of my vertex. So x equals -3. All right, graphing my vertex. So -3, -1, there's my vertex. I know that I am opening downward, and I have my axis of symmetry running right there through the middle. So my typical parabola goes from 0, 0, right 1, up 1. So I'm going to go right 1, down 1. Then I can use my symmetry to say I can also go left 1, down 1. Now I have at least 3 accurate points, so I'm going to go ahead and connect through those points so that I have my graph here. All right, guys, that does it for us on this video of graphing quadratic functions from vertex form. We'll catch you in future videos.